Semis. Semis run. Nico, ito na. First run, semis. 1-on-1 lang ang semis natin. 9K GP. First run. First run. First set, semis. Business stock first. Ready. First run, semis, 9K GP. Tuesday, VMAX. 1. Ang ganda ng laban. Yun lang. 2. Last lap. Not today. Winner. Not today. Unang pumasok. Second run. Second run. Semis. Second set. Semis. 1. 2. Winner chicken dinner. Weekend. Jami. Last set. Last set. Jami. Yakult. Next. Last set. Semis. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Kagat labi. Last set. Semis. Marshall. Marshall. Pukulot. Ito. Pangil sa pangil. Last set, semis. Last set, semis. Hoy, change lane. Last lap. Weekend. Weekend Mika. Finals na agad. Huwag na magpatumpik-tumpik pa. Finals. Finals. Dalawang weekend, isang not today. Let's go. Finals. Finals Tuesday, VMAX 9K GP. Finals tayo, guys. Uy, may umihi. 1. 2. Last lap na, guys. Oy! 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 Champion pa rin, guys. Weekend. Weekend, second. Weekend, third. Ano masasabi mo? So strong.
So strong.